Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Ahhhsoneo. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Ahhhsoneo. Hi, I'm Neo and I'm here today with a new unboxing. And I know what you're thinking. You're all thinking, didn't you just put a picture up making fun of people who do unboxings? I don't know if I was making fun, but I did have some comments. I did. If you haven't seen that video, link down below. There was so many interesting comments in the comment section, so please go check it out. It was just a dig at all of us who do unboxing videos. But I have got two items today that I wanted to share with you guys, so stick around please so you can take a look. So guys, thank you so much. If you've recently subscribed or if you're considering subscribing, I will thank you in advance. Go ahead and subscribe. Also hit the notification button so you can know when I am posting videos. I love that you guys are here for the support, and I am very thankful. Thank you. Also comment down below. Make fun of me all you want, because yeah, you'll see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of Ahhhsoneo. I am so geeked that you guys are here. I am really in a good mood because I have some things that I wanted to share with you guys. One of the, oh no, let me not say one of them because I'm excited about both of them. I'm really excited. One I have actually kind of already unboxed and I'm wearing it already. But I just liked it so much that I've pretty much been wearing it non-stop since I got it. And so I have the box here, but I didn't even want to put it back in. I'm like, it's already on my wrist. I will have pictures of close-up so you can see what it is. But I got this lovely package from Jord. I've partnered with the lovely people at Jord to do a giveaway for you guys, and also a link to their website. If you don't want to wait for a giveaway, you can just go ahead and use my code down below for to be able to get a discount when you purchase their a watch from them. And one is Jord, guys. So okay, I'm not much of a watch person, okay? I like watches, I like my iWatch, and that's about it. I kind of, for the most part, tend to use my phone as my watch, right? Like most people do. But I actually started noticing these watches on YouTube, and then Jord reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in being one of the people who hosted a giveaway. So I went on their website, and I love their watches. They're so different from what I've seen. I will have a close-up, guys, but it is a wooden watch face, and it comes in this amazing presentation. And hold on, love that magnetic closure. You got a lovely pillow. All your pieces are inside there. When you go on the website, there's a way you can measure your wrist, make sure you get the right size for yourself. Plus they also, like all high-end watches, send some links. There is also like cleaning cloths, and also like a little oil pen or something that you can use on your wooden watch, right? I mean, looking at all of the stuff and all the choices that they had, ooh, I like that. And all the choices that they had online, I was very like, okay, let me talk to this gentleman and see what they have. So now, like I said, I'm not much of a watchman. I'm just a watch person. I'm just not. But my husband is. My husband is, let me put it this way, what purses are to me are watches to him. Well, watches and computers, but we'll say watches are to him. You know, he has lots of different brands. He has Tissot, Tag Heuer, I don't even know, but I know that if I buy him a watch, he's happy, right? And so I showed him the Jord website, and he was kind of like, it's not my style. I was like, okay, because watches are different for everybody, right? I typically, when I do wear a watch, I tend to go with a ceramic watch or something very plain and simple, right? But I like the look of the Jord watches, and I thought, you know what, fine, whatever. I still want to partner with them, and I filled out the paperwork, and let me tell you something. So my watch comes, right? And this is a chronograph watch. It's a dark wood chronograph, and it has a very deep, like, maroon face. Again, I'll insert pictures so you guys can see it. And my husband's sitting there at his computer pretty much ignoring me, and I open up the box and I take it out, you know. So I open up the box and he's like, wait, you got a watch? I said, yeah, I got a watch. Remember I told you I was getting a watch from these people. So I open up the box just like this and I take it out on the pillow, and now he starts paying attention. Like, I don't know if he thought it was going to be some little crapshoot piece of, I don't know what he thought. But he looked at the box and everything and he starts paying attention. He goes, huh. And I take it off the pillow, take it out, and he goes, oh wait. And he takes it from me and he looks at it, like really looks at it. Then he goes, oh, I've seen this before. So-and-so has a watch like this. I was like, oh, okay. And so-and-so being a very good friend of ours, he was like, huh, it's very light. And you know, so I got it from him. I was like, it is. It's very light. I like that. And then, how is this man going to turn around and say to me, oh, can I keep it? I'm like, no. First of all, it's very tiny. It was made for a 6.5 centimeter wrist. No. Second, you said you weren't interested. I mean, he was just so like, whatever. No, I'm not interested. Didn't, you know, just had no interest. But I take it out the box and all of a sudden he's like, oh, well, can I have this? I'm like, this isn't for you, it's for me. And it's so funny because every time I put it on, he's like, he's paying attention, right? So it's a chronograph watch, and I'm not gonna lie, I had to read the directions. I've never had a watch like this. So it's been very interesting learning all the different dials, how, you know, how to use the second watch, the stopwatch, dates, everything. It's been very, very interesting, and I have loved it, and I've really enjoyed it. And it's funny because my husband actually bought me a watch for our anniversary not so long ago, and so I think he's noticed I've been wearing this one a little bit more than the one he bought me. I love them both, don't get me wrong. I think, you know, this one is just so different and it's such a conversation piece. I went out for a late lunch the other day with a friend of mine, and the minute I sat down at the table and was like, hi, you know, putting my arms across to say hi, the minute I did that, he was like, oh, new watch. Let me see. I was like, take a look. So anyway, guys, so that is my Jord watch, and that is my Jord watch, guys. Please, you know, enter the giveaway. Definitely go to their website and check them out, and I think you guys are going to be amazed. It's been really, really good. Alright, I got it. This ginormous box. The contents have kind of shifted a little bit, but yep, this came the other day, and unfortunately I had to play UPS man tag. You know, when they just keep coming when you're not here and you're just like, where is my bag? I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have this. I'm so excited to have this. My receipt is in here. I got this through my girl Tiffany at the Louis Vuitton in a Bloomingdale store in, I think, San Francisco. Wait, I have a receipt in front of me. Yes, in San Francisco. She's wonderful. So there's my receipt. And there was a triple points situation happening at Louis Vuitton within Bloomingdale's. If you have a Bloomingdale's card, they have a triple, you get like cashback type of thing. And so I said to her, when the cashback event, when the triple point, oh, it's upside down. When the triple points event comes around, let me know and we'll buy the bag. So at least that way I can get a little bit of money back, right? I think I got 75 or 50. I don't know, something. Such a ginormous box for something really, really tiny, and why I wanted this is so stupid. I don't travel that much. I used to travel a lot for work, which if you travel for work, you know it's not fun. Well, you know, it's not glamorous. But I want to bring in more fun and glamorous travel into my life, to exotic places where I can, you know, be a lady who lunches or be a lady who travels. So I figured it was time for me to start kind of like my luggage collection, my ladies who lunch, ladies who travel luggage collection. And I had to start with a piece I've always wanted, because it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the Louis Vuitton Nice BB. Although, if I'm honest, I am kind of thinking I should have just gone big and picked up the Nice itself. My only issue with the Nice toiletry bag is that the bottom is Vaquero leather, and so for me that would have meant I would have had to keep replacing that over the years as it got dirty, and it would have just been hassle. So ultimately I think the Nice BB, although it's smaller, is a better fit for me. And my girl my girl Deborah of Dreylux TV has one of these on her channel. I've been trying to convince her now for forever to give me hers. She said no. Well, you know. Of course she said no. Don't ask me, because I would say no too. Oh, air paper, perfect. Let's keep its shape. Anyway, it was time to just get my own. So I'm really, really excited. This is actually one of the less expensive items really on the Louis Vuitton website now. I feel like with the way the bag prices keep going up and up and up, this is one of the things that's still reasonable-ish priced. Here's the tags. Oops. Here are the tags and the care booklet. Now, I know some of you are thinking, why didn't you just buy this on the pre-loved market? And trust me, I looked. I go on Yogi's Closet, Fashion File, and Fabulous Finds. I go on all of those on a daily basis. Yeah, it's embarrassing, but I do. And I did keep seeing this on Fashion File, but I got really irritated because they had a bunch on there that were brand new for sale, and they were selling them for $100 to $150 more than what it is in the Louis Vuitton store. And this is not an item that is hard to find. Like when you go on the Louis Vuitton website, you just put it in your cart. If you go into a store, you can find it. So many times I've found it on the shelves at my local Louis Vuitton store. So I love Fashion File. I recently sold some items to them, and I'll be actually there's a couple of bags on their website right now that I'm interested in. But it kind of just really irritated me. I mean, I'm a fan of the pre-loved market. I have no problems with it. But what I cannot stand is when an item that is easily available is higher on the pre-sale market than it is on the Louis Vuitton store. And I'm sure they were thinking, well, we're saving you 10% taxes, so we're coming in at the same price point. Fine, whatever. I don't care. If somebody else has owned this bag, somebody else better not have owned this bag, then I don't want to pay full price for it. I just don't. I just think that's rude. But anyway, that's me. If you watch the other video, you'll know I'm full of opinions, so whatever. But this is just absolute perfection. It says Louis Vuitton Paris there. It looks really good. The piping is all straight. The sewing is all straight. I'm thinking about putting this on my dresser with a few select items when I'm not traveling and just having it there to look pretty. And I'm really excited. This is funny. I think this is my 5th, maybe 6th unboxing video this year. And this is actually the first item that was on my wish list for 2018. Isn't that funny? Well, my official wish list. You know, we all have these huge, humongous wish lists, like the Louis Vuitton shoes that I bought at the beginning of the summer. Those were definitely on my wish list, but I wasn't aware of them when I made the video that said my 2018 wish list. So, you know, but off the video, which I'll link down below, which is my 2018 wish list, this was on there. So I'm kind of happy to have finally made a purchase off of that list. And excited. I love everything I've purchased this far, so I'm not worried about that at all. But anyway, guys, so we will be styling with my watch, my lovely watch, and my purse. I really like this purse. Not a purse. I'm like looking now. See, this is a problem with YouTube. It makes you paranoid. People open up their stuff and they see these tiny little flaws and they, oh my gosh, I have to return it, and they post a million pictures and stuff that I never paid attention to before. I'm just like, oh, okay, let's go. But now I'm like, I need a magnifying glass. I'm looking for cracks. I'm looking for anything that's askew and not perfect. sorry. Okay, that was all. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you check out Jord watches because I'm liking this. I'm really liking this. Yeah, sounds good. Listen, I'm still making that march to 1,000 subscribers. So really, if you haven't, subscribe. Thank you. And remember, always, always, always choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you have to make every day, every hour, every moment. Choose happiness. Thanks, loves.